फैशन और फिटनेस को कैसे कंबाइन करती हैं मुक्ता गोडसे? हॉट एंड सेक्सी लगने की इस रेस में क्या करती हैं मुग्धा टू बी एट द टॉप? क्या है मुग्धा का फिटनेस मंत्र?
For me, fitness is to be healthy, of course to work out and eat good food and to do everything which is the healthier way. I think one should be fit, one should be toned, and fitness is not only in your body, it's inside your mind.
शूट्स, रैंप और रेड कार्पेट अपीयरेंस के साथ साथ कैसे फिट इन किया मुग्धा ने गोल्स जिम का ये फिटनेस कैलेंडर शूट?
They approached me and I always wanted to work out in Goals because I like this gym. And so I said I can contribute something to their calendar. So I said let's do that, yeah.
Mugdha actually, she's an amazing body. To us, she's more fit. I mean, one does not see the thinness. She's got the perfect curves.
Alka told me, hey, Mugdha is going to be there. I said, man, you made my day.
I'm not that kind of fussy model if you ask any photographer because I leave everything to them because they have a different vision. I just follow their vision and I just tell them please don't make me look bad, please don't show my tummy fab and all that. So, and they say you don't have. So I trust them completely, any photographer. I never have problems here.
Mugdha has been a model for a long time, so she knows her face like the back of her hand. So she tells us, you know, this will look better on me. If you feel like doing something else, please tell me.
Of course, I wanted to keep the makeup and hair very minimal because no one comes to the gym with too much makeup and hair done up and all that. So I said I'll just do little bit makeup.
आइए देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है बिहाइंड द सीन्स।
Of course, we went down and we were playing squash. We got those shots and we had different shots. We were trying to do something different, trying to be innovative and trying to make it look glamorous.
We tell him that we want to do a shot which shows you a little bit of squash. And he says, नहीं, ये angle ठीक रहेगा. नहीं, मैं ऊपर से लेता हूँ. And नहीं, we make her jump. Let's show that she's fit. Let's show that she can also jump. We don't want just a posy shot. Let's make her actually do it.
Just on the table where I was trying to hold my feet and because I was worried about my stomach. I was like, no. I do yoga and I do a lot of, I've been working out since very long. So I'm into working out and health and fitness since very long. Just concentration, yeah, that's about it. It increases the flexibility, of course, and it gives you a variety of workout. I'm very enthused to see what results we are going to get, and I'm sure they are going to be good. Yeah.
She was very perfect.
A person must look at the Goals Gym calendar and say, this is the place where I want to be. I mean, I want to be like her.
ये तो थी a look into what's behind the lens. But what's Mugdha's take on fitness? क्या है उनका overall fitness perspective?
I work out for 40 to 45 minutes. I decide dates when I want to do weights, when I want to do cardio, when I want to do yoga. Twice a week I do weights and rest of the days I do cardio or yoga. Diet, I have very high protein intake and less of carbs and lot of nutrients. That's my basic diet. So whatever provides me like salads and soups and grilled fish, grilled chicken. I follow a decent diet, but I don't starve myself. If I feel like having ice cream, I just go and have it. I eat pastries. I take whey protein shakes and I get very paranoid when I don't get protein because then everything what you eat gets converted into fat. I think size 0 is something which is you can't, one shouldn't achieve because I think it goes below the health level or is anorexic. I go for Kathak classes, I go for yoga classes. When I'm feeling little tired of going to the gym, I go for other things. So I keep myself occupied with various activities. Shilpa Shetty, I think her body is one of the best bodies we have in our industry. She also follows a lot of good yoga and all. I have her CD also which I follow. So I'm really big fan of Shilpa Shetty, yeah. I just wear comfortable clothes and comfortable shoes. I have new clothes, so I will be wearing that. But I don't really think, okay, I need to wear this, that, no. Whatever I'll get, I'll just wear and go, yeah. I love trance music. Sometimes it's played in the gym because every member has their different requirements. So I carry my iPod and I have my full trance music going on. Style tip I would like to give is just be yourself and bring out your real personality out in your outfit and your attire and your clothes and your makeup, hair, everything. That's your style statement. Don't go and follow style blindly. Just make your statements.
So get in shape like this dusky beauty. Follow कीजिए How Fitness Fun does और लगिए hot and fit like the super sexy, super fit Mugdha Godse.